Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel HelloHelper, and friend, today I'm going to show you how you can easily convert your PDF file to JPG. So friend, let's see. This is my sample PDF, and here friend you can see this is the JPG file which we want to convert into JPG format. Okay, so friend, what I will do, simply right now you can see this is my Acrobat Pro, and here right now we are going to select this image and then click on right click and then copy image. You can also save this image as, here you can see lots of options are available. So here I'm going to show you 3 methods to do that. So here I'm going to save this first image. So by this way you can save any image as a JPG in Acrobat Pro. Okay, so friend, right now you can see this is JPG image which is converted by Acrobat Pro. Okay, so this was first method. Right now I'm going to show you the second method to save images from PDF. Okay, so what I will do, simply again open that PDF, and friend, here you can directly select that image and then right click, and then you can directly copy this image. You can use shortcut like Ctrl C and Command C from your Mac PC. So here you can simply click on this copy image and then minimize, open a program MS Paint. Okay, so right now you can see this is my MS Paint and I have already copied that image. Right now I'm going to simply Ctrl and V, so that image will paste over here very easily. So friend, right now you can see this image is pasted over here, and right now we are going to save this image as a JPEG. Okay, so here I'm going to save this image with 2, and here you can get many options like PNG, JPG, which you want. You can directly save that image. Right now we want to save JPG. So friend, this image is saved by MS Paint from PDF file. Okay, so now friend, I'm going to show you the another method to save JPG from the PDF file. Right, this is my third method you can use. So here we are going to open google.com first. So this is google.com, and here I'm going to search PDF to jpg.net. So friend, this is the website, and here we are going to upload that PDF file. Okay, so that will be very easy method. You can directly upload that PDF file, and here you will see PDF to JPG option. You simply click here. So what happened, this website will convert that PDF file into JPG. Okay, so this website has the limited option. You can only upload 25 MB file over here. So friend, now you can see my all the pages are converted into JPG. Okay, and if you want to export particular page by the JPG, you can simply view that image, so you can directly convert that JPG. Okay, so friend, right now these are my pages you can see over here. So I want this image which is showing you, this is the second image. I want to save this image, right? So what I will do, simply click on this crop and resize. So here that image will showing, so this is showing over here, right? I'm going to crop that part. Actually I am just only looking this image only, right? So I'm going to cropping these things and then click on this crop image, right, like this. Okay, so right now I'm going to align all the things and then I click on this crop image. So friend, here you can see this image is downloaded into my system. So I'm going to cut this image and paste into this place. Okay, so friend, this is my third method to convert JPG from your PDF file. Okay, right now I'm going to show you the another method to do that. For example, we are going on google.com, and here I'm searching combine PDF. Okay, so when I click here, then you can see the combinedpdf.com, and here you can see the friends PDF to JPG. I'm going to simply select this PDF file again and upload over here. So here you will see one by one all the pages over here which is uploading right now, and after that I will edit one by one all the things, right? So please wait. Right now it is converting, so you will see all the things step by step. So friend, right now you can see that, and here we are going to download all the pages first. So what happened, this images will convert. I'm going to open this JPG file, and right now this is my PDF file, and here you can see page by page it is converted. Okay, so right now I'm going to extract this second file. So friend, you can see that page is converted into JPG. But in this case, just only I'm not extracting image, but it is converting into page. So friend, by this way you can easily convert any PDF file into JPG. So friend, I hope you learned something new. If you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.